Taki and I are up to Mammal. We haven't been on this trail in a while because the snow. Even though we did trump through the snow a couple times, but tromp through the snow. But we hadn't for the last few trips we've been up here. Taki. So here we are, going to the big field, to the meadow. See how the meadow is. And then we might take the exit trail out of the meadow and go down towards the roads, farm roads, and go in back into the park through those. So, deciding that right about now. Just a little ice left, which makes it slippery walking, especially if Taki's pulling, which she's been doing pretty good. I bought her a harness. She liked it. She wanted to put it on. Tak, come here. And her first reaction, she's been better. Come here. Which is kind of funny because last time it was the harness was causing her to pull a lot. But she's gotten excited, this top part of this trail. And I don't know if it's the turkeys. There's a bunch of turkeys that have been hanging out in the fields here. Or deer. Or what she smells that she's so excited about. But something. But for the most part, I prefer the harness. And I needed a harness. It's a cheap one. I want to get a better one. But I prefer the harness because I can harness her into the seats. Which we've been riding since I changed her into a collar. And then got rid of the old harness that was way too big for her. And I got to tighten this one up. It's a medium. And I loosened it up too much when I put it on her. And I guess probably using it has stretched it out some. So I got to tighten it back up a little bit around her. So far the harness is a go. It's a good idea. It's working. And she's just been better. Whoa, she saw something there. Come on. Did you get yourself a squirrel? Thought she got something. She acts like she got something. And she's been liking the hassocks of grass being exposed again. I think that's where the micey are sleeping. A pretty field. These little copse of trees. No, washed out burdock that get on the leash. Yeah, it didn't even rain that much. It misted, but it misted for like 2 days. It rained some, and then it misted for 2 days, and it took all the snowpack down. And just down to this, which has actually increased my mood because between the cold and the snow, I was limiting my outdoor walks quite a bit, and then just this week I've increased them again with the better weather. Much nicer to walk in 30 or 40 degree weather as opposed to the below 30, 15 teens weather I haven't liked at all. And that coupled with too much snow makes the walking hard. But I can tell I'm out of shape. Just 2 weeks of the sort of lesser hiking, lesser walking. I'm freaking out of shape again. I might have a lingering cold too. Yeah, we'll go up this way and go down through across the fields, along the fields, and back to the trails. And that will be good enough for today. It's I think it's about it was about 11:45 when we left to come over here. And we've been here at least half an hour. 20 minutes. So by the time we're done, we'll have 40 minutes in. And then I will probably bring her back this afternoon. Because it's New Year's. And my New Year's resolution is increasing our walking. One of them. The other one is to use my left hand more. My son Joel is ambidextrous. And we were playing dice this morning.